The Ilyushin Il-114, which was initially intended as a twin-engine turboprop airliner for regional routes, has since developed into a versatile platform with substantial military potential. The aircraft was initially designed to replace aging Soviet-era aircraft, such as the Antonov An-24, and was first flown in 1990. The Il-114-300 variant was developed as a result of the numerous enhancements and modifications that have been made over the years. This updated version is an important asset for regional transport and specialized military duties, as it is designed for both passenger and military applications. Maritime patrol is one of the Il-114's main military applications. The Russian United Aircraft Corporation unveiled the Il-114MP Maritime Patrol anti-submarine aircraft at the KADEX 2018 exhibition in Kazakhstan. The aircraft was developed on the foundation of the Il-114-300. The Il-114MP variant is equipped with sophisticated sensors and systems that would enable it to effectively monitor maritime zones. The Kasatka-S search and targeting system is a unique attribute of this aircraft, offering a target detection range of up to 120 kilometers. The Kasatka-S is equipped with state-of-the-art technologies, including a multi-mode radar with an active phased array antenna, electro-optical turrets for visual identification and targeting, and magnetometric systems that can detect submarines through magnetic anomalies. As per the designers, the Il-114MP is capable of carrying out effective surveillance missions, as it is able to accurately monitor both surface vessels and submerged targets, thanks to these advanced systems. The Il-114MP additionally features strong anti-submarine warfare capabilities. It is equipped with a diverse array of munitions that make it highly effective in addressing submarine threats. KH-35E anti-ship missiles, which are intended to destroy surface vessels, and APR-3M anti-submarine missiles, which can engage submarines at depths of up to 800 meters, are among its weapons. Furthermore, the aircraft comes with a 23mm GH-23-2 cannon on its starboard side to facilitate close-range engagements. Its design enables it to operate efficiently at speeds of up to 40 knots while engaging targets in submerged positions or on the surface, rendering it a formidable platform for naval operations. The Il-114MP is also intended to replace the Il-38, a four-engine turboprop aircraft that was designed for maritime patrol and anti-submarine warfare. It has been in service since the late 1960s and is derived from the Il-18 airliner. It was expressly designed to mitigate submarine threats during the Cold War. The transition from the Il-38 to the Il-114MP, when it occurs, will be indicative of a more extensive modernization initiative within the Russian Navy. During the Cold War, the Il-38 was expressly designed for maritime patrol and anti-submarine warfare. However, it is now considered outdated. The Il-114MP is a substantial improvement in capabilities when compared to its predecessor. It is equipped with modern weapons and avionics that improve its operational efficiency. For instance, its sophisticated radar and targeting systems offer superior detection and tracking capabilities when contrasted with the Naval system that was previously employed in the Il-38. Additionally, the Il-114MP is capable of conducting protracted patrols for up to 7.5 hours over distances of 800 kilometers, which enables it to cover a broader area during missions. It is anticipated that the transition process will be seamless, as the operational profiles of the new platform are similar to those of current crews who have been trained on the Il-38. The Il-114 has the potential to be used in a variety of military roles, in addition to its primary functions in anti-submarine warfare and maritime patrol. It can be configured for electronic warfare missions by including specialized equipment to intercept communications and gather intelligence, or ELINT. This design also permits modifications that make it appropriate for reconnaissance operations, thereby facilitating the collection of critical intelligence during missions. Furthermore, its roomy interior can be configured to accommodate humanitarian assistance missions, including medical evacuations or cargo transport during emergencies. The Ilyushin Il-114 is a substantial improvement in the military aviation capabilities of Russia, particularly in the realm of maritime operations. Modern technology, versatile applications, and improved performance will be essential in maintaining Russia's naval readiness as it replaces outdated platforms such as the Il-38. The Il-114 is on the brink of becoming a critical component of Russia's defense strategy, as evidenced by the ongoing test flights since late 2020 and the ongoing development efforts that are concentrated on military adaptations, as demonstrated at events such as KADEX 2018. It will continue to be relevant in a diverse array of military missions for years to come due to its capacity to integrate advanced technology with operational flexibility. Now, do you think Il-114MP can compete with other sophisticated maritime reconnaissance aircraft worldwide? Let us know in the comment. Please like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel. Please also take membership in our channel to encourage us.